ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಕಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದು? ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ and the two spherical surface. One is the ABC, one is the spherical surface, and ADC. This is another spherical surface. Okay. And here this lens we are placed. This is what? A medium. It's the optical medium. It is the optical medium bounded by the two surfaces, and it is a what? Denser medium. Optical media, and that we are taken as the what? A glass usually made with that one. So that's why it is a what? A refractive index is higher. This higher refractive index of the lens we are placing in the what? Optically rarer media, means air media. Idu ಈ lens na air media dalli idta idini, means air media is there. Okay, so that is a relative refractive index or the absolute refractive index of the air media that we are taken as what? N1 anta ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. That is a N1, and here whatever the refractive index for this media is there, that we are taken as the N2. Okay, so we are placed in the what? Air media, and the ray which is passed through the what? Centers of curvatures of these two surfaces. For this surface here there is some center of curvature. For this surface here there is some center of curvature. So here we are the ray which is passed through this center of curvature, that we are taken as the principal axis. Okay, so ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ ರೇರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದ ರೇ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಸೊ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಟೂ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಟೂ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟೂ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಟೂ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೌ this is the I prime and this is the I we have taken. So this is the I prime is the image formed due to because of the what? Surface 1, and I is the final image formed due to because of the surface 2. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು, ಈ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ADC ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ I5 ಅಂತ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫೈನಲಿ I ಹತ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೌ here this is I and this is what? I prime, and this is what? Object O. Okay, so O is the object we are placed at the position. Now this is the optical center of the object. Okay, so whatever the image formed by this lens, we are taken in the two steps. ಯಾವ ತರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅದು ಟೂ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ABC ಒಂದು, ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ADC ಒಂದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ವಾಟ್? ಎ ಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ absolute refractive index, absolute refractive index into placed in the medium of absolute refractive index, absolute refractive index N1, and here this the two surfaces and the certain a center of curvatures, and C1 and C2 are the center of curvatures of the two spherical surface, two spherical surfaces, and here OB is the object distance OB is the object distance. Okay, and R1 and R2 are the radius of curvature. Radii, because more than one is a radii of curvature of two surfaces. So radii of curvature of two surfaces. Now this refraction of light that you have taken in the two steps, so that is a step 1. So the refraction of light through the lens can be done in 2 steps. Okay, so step 1 we have taken. Step 1, refraction through surface ABC. ಈಗ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ABC ಮುಖಾಂತರ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ABC that we already discussed in the previous class, in the previous derivation. Now this is the object O we replace it, and the ray which is incident on this object, after what happens, a refraction of light is takes place. So this is a refracted ray and meet at a certain point, so it forms the image I prime. Okay, now here there is some center of curvature. The line which is passed through the center of curvature, so that we have taken as the what, a normal, and the distance between the pole and the center of curvature you have taken as the what, R1, and object distance you have taken as the what, U, and image distance you have taken as the V. Okay, so these are the terms we already taken. Okay, now in this case, okay, R1 is the radius of curvature of the surface 1, and I prime is the image formed. Okay, so which image, this is what, a real image formed by the surface ABC. Okay, so after for these we know that already. Okay, relation for this a surface is so here we know that the refractive index of image space by image distance minus refractive index of object space by object distance is equal to refractive index of image space minus refractive index of object space by what, radius of curvature. Actually, yeah, okay. Now this is the formula we know. Just substitute here. Okay, refractive index of image space. What is the refractive index here? It is the N1 and it is the what, N2. Therefore, here the refractive index of image space is what, N2 by image distance. What is the image distance? Here image distance is what, BI prime minus refractive index of object space. What is the refractive index of object space? N1 by object distance. What is the object distance? OB. Okay, but here it is negative, no? So it is a negative, is equal to, because it is a left side is a, so that's why it is a negative. Refractive index of image space is N2 minus refractive index of object space is what, N1. So by what is the radius of curvature? That is R1. Okay, so therefore we can write what, N2 by di prime minus into minus plus n1 by OB is equal to n2 minus n1 by r1. That we call as the equation 1. So for the spherical refracting surface ABC. So in the same way for the another surface, step 2 we have taken. Step 2, refraction at the surface ADC. Refraction at the surface ADC. Okay, so ಈಗ ABC ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ADC ನೋಡೋಣ. Now take the surface. Reverse of this water surface ABC. ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ABC ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Now this is the surface ADC. Now this is the water, denser medium, and it is the water, rarer medium. Okay, so here this is the object. Okay, so what happens? It forms the image at I. This is the not I prime, just I only. Okay, so and here it is the what, somewhere it is in the center of curvature. This is the water, and A it is the D and C. So this distance we have taken as the water. Pole to the what, center of curvature we have taken as the R2, means radius of curvature 2. Okay, and this is the distance, what, image distance. So and here the object is somewhere at this side. Okay, this is the object distance. Okay, now again apply the same formula for that. Okay, so if you can apply the same formula, whatever the formula is there, so just reverse of this one you can take. In the place of n2 write n1, and in the place of n1 write n2. Just reverse this equation 1. Okay, so here because it is opposite to the surface what, ABC, so it is opposite to the surface ABC, so that's why just reverse the equation what, 1. So in the place of n2 just write n1, in the place of n1 write n2. So just reverse that one, what we get C. So n2 in the place of n2 we can write what, n1. Okay, so n1 by image distance that we have taken as what, di plus here again here plus n1 means n2 plus n2 by what, image. This is what, object distance. Object is distance. So here whatever the object, whatever the image we get, this I prime is acts as the virtual object. So I prime acts as what, I prime act as the what, virtual object for the image I. So I prime virtual object ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ, ಇಮೇಜ್ಗೆ, ಇಮೇಜ್ ಐಗೆ. ಸೊ here now this is what, virtual object, I is the what, real image. So object I is the real image, real image. Finally it forms, so that is the real image, but I prime is acts as the what, virtual object. Okay, so therefore n2 by what, object distance is di prime. Okay, so is equal to minus of here n2 minus n1 minus of, okay, what, this R2 is positive or negative, this is what, negative, minus R2. Okay, so therefore n1 by di, n1 by di plus n2 by di prime is equal to n2 minus n1 by R2. Equation that we call as equation 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು. Okay, so next here observe carefully, this di prime and di is nearly equal. Di I prime, this d I prime is nearly equal to the c b I prime. So d I prime is nearly equal to the b I prime. Therefore equation 2 becomes what? N1 by d I plus N2 by d I prime, you can write as what? b I prime is equal to N2 minus N1 by R2, that we call as the equation 3. Okay, so we get N1 by di plus N2 by bi prime is equal to N2 minus N1 by R2. So observe carefully equation 1 and equation 3. Okay, so just add the equation 1 and equation 2, what we get. Okay, now add the equation 1 and equation 2, what we get here. Okay, now in this case here di prime, that is in the formula minus is there here. Okay, so in the formula minus is there, so that's why here minus you have to write. Okay, so here minus. Okay, now this is what? Minus. Okay, so in the formula minus is there, so take the what? Minus of that. Okay, so therefore add equation 1 and equation 3. Okay, if you can add equation 1, observe carefully here N2 b I prime, and here in the equation N2 b I prime minus is there and here plus is there, so that will cancel each other. What is the remaining? We can write it N1 by what? OB, N1 by OB plus in the equation here what is there? N1 by di is equal to N2 minus N1 by R2, here N2 minus N1 by R1. So we can write N2 minus N1 is common, remaining is what? 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Okay, here 1 by R2, here 1 by R1. So therefore here after this is we call as the equation 4. Okay, next here by using the Cartesian sign convention, by Cartesian sign convention, Cartesian sign convention, OB is equal to what? Yeah, OB is equal to what? OB is the what? Object distance. OB is the what? Object distance, that we written as what? U. Okay, and here next R1 is the radius of curvature, and di is the what? Image distance. Di is equal to what? V. Okay, di is equal to V, and R1 is the radius of curvature. R1 is the what? Radius of curvature, that is positive only, and R2 is the what? Radius of curvature, but that is the what? Negative, because see it is from what? Left side is there, so that's why it is negative. So therefore equation 4 becomes, so N1 by OB plus N1 by di is equal to N2 minus N1 into what? 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Okay, so it we call as the equation 5. Equation 5 anta kari. Suppose if the object is at infinity, if object at infinity, object is at infinity, object infinity nal iddaga OB is equal to what? What? Infinity. Now whatever the image is formed at where? Focus. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫೋಕಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಐ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ನೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, n1 ಬೈ ಒ ಬಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ n1 ಬೈ ಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು n2 ಮೈನಸ್ n1 ಇಂಟು 1 ಬೈ r1 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಬೈ r2. ಸೊ 1 ಬೈ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಏನು, 0. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ n1 ಬೈ ಎಫ್ is equal to n2 minus n1 into what, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So this is the expression for lens makers formula. That is the equation 6 of the Karina. n1 by f is equal to n2 minus n1 into n2 minus n1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So this we call as a lens makers formula. This we can also write as, okay, so ಇದನ್ನ ಎಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು, lens makers formula. Lens makers formula. So this is a lens makers formula. Next, this we also written as, okay, ಈಗ observe carefully. We can bring this n1. So here 1 by f is equal to, you can bring the n1, what is the remaining, n2 by what, n1 minus n1 by n1 becomes what, 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So we can also write like this. The lens makers formula we can also write like this. Observe carefully. 1 by f is equal to n2 by n1 means refractive index of the medium 2 with respect to medium 1 minus 1. Here 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So we can also write like this. Note. Okay, lens makers formula we can also write like this. Okay, so after, so observe carefully. So here whatever the equation is there, in the equation 5, whatever the equation is there, equation 5 is n1 by OB plus n1 by dA, and compare the equation what, this 6, 5 and 6. Okay, here also whatever the n2 minus n1, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, same as it is, RHS is same. So just compare the what, this LHS. What we get, if you can compare that from the note to, from equation 5 and 6, so we can write n1 by f is equal to what, n1 by OB, n1 by OB, n1 by OB minus here n1 by OB, so minus n1 by what, di, actually here n minus this OB is minus, okay, by what, d. Okay, now we can write, therefore this n1 n1 will gets cancelled, 1 by f is equal to 1 by OB is the what, object distance, plus 1 by d is the what, image distance. Therefore 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. By applying the sign convention, so we get, okay, so therefore from the equation 5 and 6, n1 by f is equal to n1 by minus OB plus n1 by di. So here just we are using the what, Cartesian sign convention, so we get the equation.